First, we have the esophagus up under the trachea. Then we have the gallbladder, this greenish piece on top of the liver. Then we have the actual liver, this dark brown spot. Under the liver, we have the caudate lobe of the liver. You got that? Sticker? Okay. Then let's go to the lesser omentum, which is like the fat-looking part that's on top of the stomach. Then we have the actual stomach. You got that sticker? Okay, and then we have the duodenum, which is the small part of the intestines that comes out of the stomach. And the long, or medial as she put it, to the duodenum is the pancreas, right down in there. Okay, then let's go to the greater omentum, which is all of this sac-like covering, that curtain that covers the digestive organs. Then we have the lovely spleen over here, dark colored, flat. Good descriptive words. Then all this middle, small intestines, is the jejunum.
That's what it's called, but jejunum.
And then between the jejunum are all the small intestine parts. We have the mesentery, which holds those together and has blood vein vessels and stuff. Then let's go on to the cecum.
That's the common one?
The common looking part of the large intestines, the beginning of the large intestines. You got this cecum. Then it starts with the ascending colon, which ours is a little crooked but should always run up. Then to this side, we have the descending colon that runs down into the rectum. Oh, we forgot the ileum, which is the last part of the small intestine.